Hello everybody, this is Robert Cho again from Asia Pacific Gardening. We try to share our knowledge and technique and some information from our experience. We have a 3 sample tree from us right here. We have a Wichita Blue Rocky Mountain Juniper. We have a Japanese maple right here, and we have a Sequoia, which is a redwood right here. I will show you when you have the tree basic from here how to upgrade to the next level. You can control the tree, to training the tree to get a better level is not that difficult, but it's earlier is better. Otherwise they will grow big, it's hard to control. That will be different look of the future. And I'm not growing the tree from here because this is already 6 months, and you can see there's no branches, nice branches like this. That's the difference. This is crafted. You immediately can see the nice branches like this. But this one here, 6 months, they take a time, probably take another 2 or 3 years to get the mature tree like this. This only 2 years, crafted for 2 years. Let's go next step. I'm going to step by step tell you what I can do. Think about if this is your tree, what you want to do. Hopefully we have a better idea each other, and this is not the only way we can do, okay? The main thing right here, we want to upgrade the tree from very simple tree like this to get a better value. With the production industry right here for the bonsai, our soil is very simple. We have a cutting tree many, and we use the nice pruner right here. We have the wire cutter. You don't need the fancy stuff for the beginner like this. And we have a couple of different gauge of the wire in case we need it, so just stand by. This is number 1 is 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, and 3 millimeter. This is the basic what we're going to do, and we're going to the next step show you what we can do for the next one. In this video, I would like to share my knowledge with you. If you want to do the bonsai, so many people say I want to grow the bonsai from seedling. Then I will show you this is only 6 months old. Not really clear. The structure is quite different than this. This is only 2 years old. It's a crafted. That's how we start from here instead of right here. Like a lot of people like to see the tree and dreaming by yourself, oh, in the future if this grow like this, in the future grow like this. You better select the tree already have the good structure like this. The next step, I'm going to show you how to upgrade the tree from here to better level. The wiring the tree like this, I always select a little bit heavy powered wire instead of a young one like this, because this one probably not give you enough power to make the structure different. So this one more safety. 2, I wired the pot like this because this gives you the power on the bottom right here. When you stick the wire, the wire not going to move around. If you take it out from here, the wire not going to have the power anchorage on the bottom right here. So that's why I've wired right here. I would like to show you, see how big the wire. This is a wire 3 millimeter, and this is the branches. This is a crafted one. So I want to make sure the crafted one will not damage these branches out from the crafted. So I want to secure this. So a lot of time I select 1.5 or a little bit longer the wire. So I'm not holding the big wire roll right here. Of course, they may be wasting some wire, but it's better than on the top you say, oh, that's not long enough. That's would be the problem. See here, I get a little bit of wire. I'm going to start wire the tree. Remember, this need to do the practice. You don't want it too much power, but you don't want it too loose, because the loose is probably not going to help you out. Follow with me, see what you think about this tree. If this is your tree, do you want the wire like this, or you want to do it the other way? That's really depend on you, the artist. Believe yourself, okay? Your hand is follow the wire like this. Carefully, you need to protect all the young branches right there. I'm going to wire all of them, but maybe not using all of them. Maybe cut back later on. So I follow this one right here, and right here. See, my hand is follow the wire up right here. Now, if you buy the nursery stock, the basic treatment is all straight up, right? So we want the tree cut. The bonsai is always smaller tree. How to make this tree lower? I will follow this. Okay, see the hand. So I bring down the whole tree first, and then see my hand. To turn the tree, you can see how much the tree right here still in the same level. And bring it up a little bit. Bring it up a little bit. That will be the apex. You can make a little bit adjustment. Remember, it was like this tall, right? Now bring down the tree. And you can see if you're using the container, that would be look like this. Of course, you need to do some detail wire of the branches. Make a little bit adjustment right here. You can see here, with the pot like this, they're going to anchorage on the pot right here. It's easy to make adjustment. So we maybe can plan it different way. Get the nice shape, movement. Of course, this is a personal taste, and because we do the commercial bonsai, we know this one we can supply to the market. People like this, but you're the artist. You decided what you want to do. That's your choice. Since we already branches training like this, so a lot of small branches right here, I'm going to also the wire. For this one, we use the wire 1 millimeter because you don't need to have a lot of power. This is a still young plant. We just want to put the branches in the position for the future training. The first branches of the bonsai is very important. So if we have a lot of time, I consider this is 1/3 of the height of the first branches right here, and take 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So this is the apex. This is what they look like right here. That's how to do it. And this one here, and you can do some cleanup a little bit. You don't want to have the busy branches right here. You can see from the top of the tree, you can see the light can go every branches right here. So you can see we need to work on here too. So I'm going to wire this one a little bit. This is not wiring demo right here, but I would like to share this plan to tell you how to upgrade your tree to better level. You can see the difference, and later on I'm going to show you the rest of the other tree I'm going to do. I'm pretty much sure this one is done, and this one is done. So this is probably too long. Now you can see the structure. Instead, remember before what they look like? And this is what they look like right now. This is the basic training. When you pot it, you not necessarily have to pot it like this way. So I'm going to pot it this one here to show you what would be the look like. See here, this nice root system. Just need to open up a little bit. Now you can see the tree, what they look like after we wiring one small wire like this. I'm going to put the soil. Put the soil right here. Make sure no air pocket, and actually this tree, young tree, is easy to work on it. This is showing you using the young material like a 2 years old or even oldest one, the straight one, the one you still can working on that would be looks better. And I don't think we need this one here. I want to make adjustment back a little bit for this one here. And the young plant, young branches right here, we can so not bad, right? Not bad. This is probably too flat. Then you can make a little bit adjustment up.
Last time we looked at
like here. So this plant we've been continue to decorate it with the moss, with the rock, and I think we upgraded that better quality and better value compared with the what before, just only straight. And you can see the straight up, you can continue looking at the tree. Straight would be straight like this. Now we bring it down and make branches open up. That would be continue the training that in the future this plant would be nice bonsai. And you can see it from the different angle, the detail, very simple tree. And this is what the finish. So next, this is another 2 sample earlier we show you, and we're going to do the same technique to upgrade the tree. You can see we studied the tree, this very simple tree. This is a maple tree, and we have the other one, the sequoia, and just nice interesting branches right here. This may be do a different way, but we're going to show you this one and this one. Here's the maple tree. So it's very simple tree, but we touch up a little bit and bring down the tree from the straight, open up the structure. I think this is a beautiful tree in the future. Of course, you need to continue to upgrade it, control it, let it grow for years or 2 years. That would be really nice. Of course, some people want to collect like this, also available too. Now we apply the same technique. This is what they look like. Of course, we just wiring. Take probably 6 months, 7 months. You have to monitor the tree, depend on the season, depend on where you're growing. So in here, so you need to watch up this. This is the crafted together, and the rubber here will be gone by themselves. Remember what the tree before looked like. We have juniper, maple tree, redwood, all straight. We just put the very simple wiring and upgrade the tree from that quality to this quality. That will be interesting the job. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you can share this video with a friend, let friend looking at, you maybe already have the tree in your backyard or in your collection. You just simply upgrade it and study step by step. Thank you very much, and subscribe, click like, and see you again every Friday.